Yo, what's going on? What's crack-a-lacking? Back with another video. Yeah, I still got the car. Now, the car says drivetrain malfunction, but the transmission is shifting fine. It just has a misfire. So, every day, something new with the car. But yeah, I'm gonna take it to the mechanic later on today or tomorrow to put the computer on to figure out what it is wrong with the car. By the way, the car is not smoking. It has a misfire and it has a transmission malfunction light, and but the car's not smoking. So I don't know if I should just leave the car like this and forget about the smoke, right? Anyhow, so from here I'm going to the mechanic, and I'll see you in a few. So this is what we're dealing with now. So today's a new day. I'm crossing the bridge, heading back to Brooklyn. I'm gonna swing by the mechanic now and get the computer on. This is all the stuff that's on my dash. Well, the right low beam and the left corner that been on. Not doing well, but now I got tranny and low tire pressure, but the tire seems fine. Whatever. So I'm heading to the mechanic shop now, and see you in a bit. Waiting for the mechanic to grab the computer so we can see. So I can see what's going on with the car. Don't know yet.
No, importante, vamos a llamarlo así. Sería lo que tú me vas a mandar la dirección. Haga lo que tenga que hacer. ¿Tú estás oyendo? Te estoy diciendo eso para que tú veas que yo estoy pendiente a lo que tú me dices. Tengo que tratar de que sea así, para que no me cambie.
New development. Now I got but the car's gonna die any second. Any second this car's gonna die.